Yo, so right now I am not doing anything really interesting. I'm doing my dishes, but I thought it would be a good time to talk about something that has always been very important to me, and that's cleaning your room, cleaning your space, and really anywhere that you are cleaning out your place that you're using, whatever it may be. So, quick story here. When I was younger, um, I used to make my bed in such a way where I would get pissed off when people would sit on it. Meaning, like, they'd put a little crease in the bed. I'd get so pissed. I wouldn't really say anything, but like when they got up, I would smooth out the bed because I was so OCD about that. Now, I think when you talk about cleaning, I think that it could go both ways where it could be over the top. Like you're like, fuck, everything has to be cleaned because this is my way to control my reality is through cleaning. And I actually have seen people throughout my life do that have been so OCD about cleaning that they get fucking pissed off at you if you move something the wrong way, like you move a picture the wrong way or some shit. So it could be something that's very obsessive and comes from a darker place, or it could be something that comes from a healthy mind. So there's two different paradigms here that I'm speaking of, and one is one that's darker in terms of essence and more coming from a shadow place, and the other is coming from a mind that is kept up, where you're on top of your shit and maybe you feel good about yourself and you're living with purpose and providing people as much value as you possibly can with what you have, the resources that you have. And I think that your physical environment is a manifestation of your energetic environment, of what's going on inside of your head. And if you ever notice when your place is really fucked up, because I've been in certain parts of my life where I would get up and I'm like, fuck, this is so messy, dude. Like, I haven't cleaned for, fuck, it seems like months, right? And it's just super messy. That says something about you. That says something about you. It's like, for me, when I'm inviting people over, like my grandparents are a huge one, or inviting friends over, I like that. I like to make sure everything is clean, because when it's not, it seems a little weird, fucked up, and oftentimes people will apologize and say, hey, sorry that it's so messy, you know, you just haven't got around to picking it up. But just know that it is a manifestation of what's going on inside of your dome piece. Done.